Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your habit app to life goals. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply connect your habit app to your life goals, then all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your habits. So once you open your habits, it can be simply found in your app store, or otherwise you can simply get logged in into it through your any other iOS devices. Once you have done this, you need to now connect your habit to your life goals by defining your long-term objectives and then breaking them down into small, trackable daily action within the app. Most habit apps are designed to support goal achievement through consistent, small steps. So first of all you gotta do is simply define your life goals, break the goals into habits, and choose a compatible app for it. Like you can simply select the habit app that allows you to explicitly link habits to larger goals. So this habit app really does this. And if you are searching for a third party app, then you can also use apps like Thrives and Notions, which has like goal setting frameworks. So this is how you can simply connect your habit app to your life goals. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.